Oh my god, guys, mate, look at that fire. Mate, look at that fire. Shit. Woo! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be at, sorry my voice is a bit croaky. I'm going to be at Roundup Park watching this big fire. This is going to be my first video, so yeah, please, hope you enjoy. I'm recording this, mate, I'm recording it. Whoa, mate, can you just see it? Oh, look at that thing. Wait, whoa, mate, zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. You can just see, I'll just get a bit closer. See, the fire's just so.
Have you got all yours, Fletcher?
Oh mate, look at that fire. I'm going to see if I can zoom in. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. One sec guys, one sec. Just gotta go and see something. Back again. Yeah, I like this zooming thing. Can see that there's many people. I'd like many people. So I don't know. Oh shit. Oh, it's fireworks. I'll just get a bit closer. Sorry, I'm a bit shaky. It's just got a lot of movement. Wow. Yeah, look how much people here. Look how many people are here. I think there's many. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can't even count them. I reckon there's about like, no, 100. Like guys say like about 200, 300. Oh, bitch, okay. Woo! That's some good fire. Good fire. Just gonna like pause it, and I'll be back in a sec, because this fire might go overrated. Right, so, right, 1 sec. Look, you can see it recording. If I can just zoom in. No.
I'll jump you for the camera. You see me?
No. You can't see me.
I'm right by the floodlights. Ah! It's about when there's lots of people. How much of that?
Wow, mate, I don't know when fireworks are going to start, because there's meant to be fireworks coming. Yeah, we're just gonna... Yeah, mate. Whoa. See people, sparklers. People with more sparklers. Wow. Wow, mate, it's gonna zoom in so you can see it. Whoa. Oh my god, oh god, guys. It's gonna be Gonna wait fireworks time. Right guys, let me find out when fireworks starting and I'll come back to you. Wow guys, wow guys. My god, my god, my god, my god. It's my god. Oh, wow. Look at all the people around here. Can you just see that lights? If it just looks like something weird, it's the fire that's going on. Let's see if I can zoom in. My god, my god, my god. Oh, bitch. So yeah guys, I'm gonna end it here. And yeah, tune in tomorrow for another video. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye!